श्रीमद्भगवत गीता अध्याय 12 श्लोक 13। श्रीमद्भगवत गीता अध्याय 12 श्लोक 13। वेर भाव खां जो रहे थो परे, ऐं सभिनी जो मित्र। अभिमान ममता बिना खिम्यावान, दयालु रहे जो सदा संतोषी। ऐं सुख में ऐं दुख में आहे जो समान, यतन में रतन जो रहे थो पके निश्चवारो। मन बुद्धि मुँह में जो अर्पण करे, सोई भक्त में जो प्यारो। सोई भक्त में जो प्यारो। जिजे की न कहीं खान कहीं खेत जारे, ऐं चिंता खुशी का न्यारो। हसद नाहि जंहिंखे न की क्रोध को, सोई भक्त में जो प्यारो। सोई भक्त में जो प्यारो। इच्छा रहित जो पवित्र चतुर जो, ऐं चिंता बिना जो करे थो सुधारो। फल जी इच्छा सब पिछी जो करे, सोई भक्त में जो प्यारो। सोई भक्त में जो प्यारो। बिना हर्ष ऐं द्वेष, त्यागे थो जो भलो ऐं बुरो। चिंता रहित जो न उमेदूं अॾे, सोई भक्त में जो प्यारो। सोई भक्त में जो प्यारो। शत्रु मित्र ऐं मान अपमान, थधि गर्मी ऐं सुख दुख सभिनी में समाभाव रखे थो। रहे राज़ी सब ते, निंदा स्तुतिअ में साॻी रीत हले थो। धन दर मिल्कत बिना, ऐं शांति को अस्थिर चित्त वारो। सब्र में रहे जो, सोई भक्त में जो प्यारो। सब्र में रहे जो, सोई भक्त में जो प्यारो। अमृत रूपी ज्ञान अमल में जो आने, सची अश्रद्धा वारो। वछे शरण में जी, सोई भक्त में जो प्यारो। सोई भक्त में जो प्यारो। अमृत रूपी ज्ञान अमल में जो आने, सची अश्रद्धा वारो। वछे शरण में जी, सोई भक्त में जो प्यारो। सोई भक्त में जो प्यारो। ओम तत्सत। ये श्रीमद् भगवत गीता उपनिषद ब्रह्म विद्या योग शास्त्र जो, श्री कृष्ण संवाद जो भक्ति योग वारो 12 अध्याय पूरो थियो।
दादा श्याम। भज गोविंदम भज गोविंदम, भजो रे भाई गोविंदम। भज गोविंदम भज गोविंदम, भजो रे भाई गोविंदम। वैर विरोध में न शक्ति गवाए, निर्मल प्रेम नव जीवन बना। एक एक आगे शीश झुकाए,
संग्रह पेज 743। नदिया जे हुन पार, नदिया जे हुन पार, श्याम तुंहिंजो इसरार, तो वटि कीअं अचां, अची कीअं पहुचां। जित बीना बजाई, पियो दिलड़ियूं रिझाई, ऐं रूह जा राणा, तरी की न जाना। अथम दिल में प्यास, अथम इक आस, अॻियां तो निमा, चरण तुंहिंजा चुमा, तुंहिंजो मुखड़ो निहारियां, तुंहिंजो नाम उचारियां। करियां इक ई कम, थियां गुम में गुम, न नालो न निशान, थियां अंजलि ऐं कुर्बान। दादा श्याम।
अंदर अंदर विच दिल मंदर, अंदर अंदर विच दिल मंदर, वेठी करां तुंहिंजी आरती, वेठी करां तुंहिंजी आरती, ओ वेठी करां तुंहिंजी आरती, वेठी करां तुंहिंजी आरती। अंदर अंदर विच दिल मंदर, अंदर अंदर विच दिल मंदर, ध्यान जे धूप सां, ध्यान जे धूप सां, ज्योति अनूप सां, ध्यान जे धूप सां, ज्योति अनूप सां, वेठी करां तुंहिंजी आरती, वेठी करां तुंहिंजी आरती, ओ वेठी करां तुंहिंजी आरती, वेठी करां तुंहिंजी आरती। अंदर अंदर विच दिल मंदर, अंदर अंदर विच दिल मंदर, दया जो दीपक बारे, दया जो दीपक बारे, आयुन अखियुन से निहारे, आयुन अखियुन से निहारे, दया जो दीपक बारे, आयुन अखियुन से निहारे करां आरती, आयुन अखियुन से निहारे करां आरती, वेठी करां तुंहिंजी आरती, हो वेठी करां तुंहिंजी आरती, वेठी करां तुंहिंजी आरती। अंदर अंदर विच दिल मंदर, अंदर अंदर विच दिल मंदर, इश्क उकीर उथारे, इश्क उकीर उथारे, श्वास श्वास से नाम उचारे, श्वास श्वास से नाम उचारे, इश्क उकीर उथारे, नाम उचारे वेठी करां तुंहिंजी आरती, नाम उचारे वेठी करां तुंहिंजी आरती, वेठी करां तुंहिंजी आरती, हो वेठी करां तुंहिंजी आरती, वेठी करां तुंहिंजी आरती। अंदर अंदर विच दिल मंदर, अंदर अंदर विच दिल मंदर, वेठी करां तुंहिंजी आरती, वेठी करां तुंहिंजी आरती, हो वेठी करां तुंहिंजी आरती, वेठी करां तुंहिंजी आरती। आही अंजलि अखां थी न परे, तीन परे। जय जगदीश हरे, 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 जय जगदीश हरे। अंदर अंदर विच दिल मंदर, अंदर अंदर विच दिल मंदर, वेठी करया तुझी आरती, वेठी करया तुझी आरती, ओ वेठी करया तुझी आरती, वेठी करया तुझी आरती, वेठी करया तुझी आरती, वेठी करया तुझी आरती। चरणों में तेरे मेरे चारों धाम, निस दिन गाऊं दादा तेरा नाम। चरणों में तेरे मेरे चारों धाम, निस दिन गाऊं दादा तेरा नाम। चाहूं तुझे दादा, ध्याऊं तुझे दादा, चाहूं तुझे दादा, ध्याऊं तुझे दादा, पुकारूं तेरा नाम सुबह हो शाम, पुकारूं तेरा नाम सुबह हो शाम। दादा प्यारे दादा, दादा मेरे दादा, दादा प्यारे दादा, दादा मेरे दादा, दादा प्यारे दादा, प्यारे 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 दादा, दादा प्यारे दादा, प्यारे 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 दादा। चरणों में तेरे मेरे चारों धाम, निस दिन गाऊं दादा तेरा नाम। माता मेरी दादा, पिता मेरे दादा, बंधु मेरे दादा, सखा मेरे दादा। माता दादा, पिता दादा, बंधु दादा, सखा दादा, दादा मेरे दादा, तू प्यार ही प्यार दादा, दादा मेरे दादा, तू प्यार ही प्यार दादा, दादा प्यारे दादा, प्यारे 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 दादा, दादा प्यारे दादा, प्यारे 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 दादा। चरणों में तेरे मेरे चारों धाम, निस दिन गाऊं दादा तेरा नाम। संसार मेरा दादा, परिवार मेरा दादा, पतवार मेरा दादा, आधार मेरा दादा। संसार दादा, परिवार दादा, पतवार दादा, आधार दादा, दादा मेरे दादा, मेरा सब कुछ है दादा, दादा मेरे दादा, तू ही तू मेरे दादा, दादा प्यारे दादा, प्यारे 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 दादा, दादा प्यारे दादा, प्यारे 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 दादा। चरणों में तेरे मेरे चारों धाम, निस दिन गाऊं दादा तेरा नाम। चाहूं तुझे दादा, ध्याऊं तुझे दादा, चाहूं तुझे दादा, ध्याऊं तुझे दादा, पुकारूं तेरा नाम सुबह हो शाम, पुकारूं तेरा नाम सुबह हो शाम। दादा मेरे दादा, दादा मेरे दादा, दादा प्यारे 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 दादा, दादा प्यारे 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 दादा, दादा प्यारे 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 दादा। चरणों में तेरे मेरे चारों धाम, निस दिन गाऊं दादा तेरा नाम। मेहरबाना 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 मेहरबाना, नाम तिहारो अपराध मोरे तू ना विचारो, अपराध मोरे तू ना विचारो। मेहरबाना मेहरबाना, नाम तिहारो अपराध मोरे तू ना विचारो, अपराध मोरे तू ना विचारो। दुनिया संग न चाहूं चाहूं, निर्मल नाम के संग विहारो, तो दर मैं हूँ भिखारी, भव सागर से मुझे पार उतारो। दया करो ऐ दीन दयालु, दया करो ऐ दीन दयालु, करो मानिक जन्म सफल हमारो, मानिक जन्म सफल हमारो। मेहरबाना मेहरबाना, नाम तिहारो अपराध मोरे तू ना विचारो, अपराध मोरे तू ना विचारो। भटक रहा हूँ माया मैदानी, प्यासी मुसाफिर पानी पियारो, तुझ बिन प्रीतम कुछ ना चाहूं, झूठो जग ही सारो सारो। ज्योत मंडल में कैसे पहुँचूं, ज्योत मंडल में, ज्योत मंडल में कैसे पहुँचूं। मेहर करे मोरे मन को मारो, मेहर करे मोरे मन को मारो। मेहरबाना मेहरबाना, नाम तिहारो अपराध मोरे तू ना विचारो, अपराध मोरे तू ना विचारो। खाना पीना ना कुछ चाहूं, मेहर नजर से रोज निहारो, मेहर नजर से रोज निहारो, मेहरवाना मेहरवाना नाम तिहारो। अपराध मोरे तू ना विचारो, अपराध मोरे तू ना विचारो। मेहरवाना 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 मेहरवाना। वडो तुंहिंजो पाणी न की यार पार, वडो तुंहिंजो पाणी न की यार पार। भवसागर भारी तार रब्बा तार, तार 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 रब्बा तार तार तार, तार 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 रब्बा तार तार तार, तार 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 रब्बा तार तार तार, तार रब्बा तार दादा दादा तार तार। वडो तुंहिंजो पाणी न की यार पार, वडो तुंहिंजो पाणी। अथम की न सघ, अथम की न शक्ति, अथम की न ज्ञान, अथम की न भक्ति। अथम दिल जे अंदर बस एक पुकार, अथम दिल जे अंदर बस एक पुकार। अची मिल तू राणा दे मेहर निहार, मेहर निहार मेहर निहार दे मेहर निहार। तार 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 रब्बा तार तार तार, तार 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 रब्बा तार तार तार, तार 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 दादा तार तार तार, तार रब्बा तार दादा दादा तार तार। भगल मां टुटल मां किया करया पंध, भगल मां टुटल मां किया करया पंध। जितनी हार्या पसा तोखे हर हंद, जितनी हार्या पसा तोखे हर हंद। खपे की न ॿियो कुझ खपी तूं मुंहिंजा साईं, खपे की न ॿियो कुझ खपी तूं मुंहिंजा साईं। हित हुत हर हंध तूं ई आहीं, तूं ई आहीं तूं ई आहीं तूं ई आहीं। मुंहिंजा दादा मुंहिंजा साईं तूं ई आहीं। तार 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 रब्बा तार तार तार, तार 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 रब्बा तार तार तार, तार 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 रब्बा तार तार तार, तार रब्बा तार दादा दादा तार तार। सॾियां पियो मां तोखे सुण अंजलीअ जी पुकार, पियो मां तोखे सुण अंजलिया जी पुकार घोरा के न ॿियो कुछ फ़क़त महर निहार घोरा के न ॿियो कुछ फ़क़त महर निहार ॾे दादा ॾे दादा ॾे महर निहार ॾे दादा ॾे दादा ॾे महर निहार तार 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 रब्बा तार 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 रब्बा तार 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 दादा तार 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 रब्बा
मिल गए हंसते हुए रेशम के कोमल दो सिरे ओ मिल गए हंसते हुए रेशम के कोमल दो सिरे बन गया एक प्यार का पथ पग जहाँ इनके गिरे दादा साईं मेरे साईं दादा साईं मेरे सच्चे साईं मेरे सच्चे साईं ये मोहब्बत ही नहीं खुद इश्क की पहचान है इनके कांधों पर बसी एक सूफियानी शान है ये मोहब्बत ही नहीं खुद इश्क की पहचान है इनके कांधों पर बसी एक सूफियानी शान है दादा साईं मेरे साईं दादा साईं मेरे सच्चे साईं मेरे सच्चे साईं हो प्यार का मतलब ही है बस प्यार और फिर और प्यार हाथ दिल आंखें सभी पर प्यार का हो इख्तियार प्यार का मतलब ही है बस प्यार और फिर और प्यार हाथ दिल आंखें सभी पर प्यार का हो इख्तियार दादा साईं मेरे साईं दादा साईं मेरे सच्चे साईं मेरे सच्चे साईं हो देख देखो जो भी है वापस पलट कर आएगा प्यार देने से ये जीवन एक चमन बन जाएगा देख देखो जो भी है वापस पलट कर आएगा प्यार देने से ये जीवन एक चमन बन जाएगा दादा साईं मेरा साईं दादा साईं मेरे सच्चे साईं मेरे सच्चे साईं मेरे सच्चे साईं मेरे सच्चे साईं
My friends, to give is human, but to forgive is divine. To give is human, but to forgive is divine. There is this conflict within us, the conflict between love and hate. Love seeks to forgive. Hate seeks to make even, to return evil for evil. There is this conflict within us. Has someone wronged you? Has someone offended you? Has someone spoken ill of you? Has someone cheated you? Has someone exploited you? Has someone spread scandals against you? Has someone wronged you? Has someone betrayed your trust? There is this struggle. Love on the one hand, hatred on the other. Love seeks to forgive, but hatred says, no, I shall see this man. Hatred believes in taking an eye for an eye, in giving a blow for a blow. And if in the struggle love wins, love triumphs, love has the upper hand, then we easily forgive. But if hatred triumphs, then that hurt enters into the heart within and keeps on burning there like a fire. I remember how several years ago a man met me. His face was dark as charcoal. As he said those words, he said to me, there is a fire burning within me, and the flames of that fire will not be quenched until I have shot the man who is indirectly responsible for the death of my father. There you have it. Hatred is a fire. It keeps on burning within you. It burns away all your peace and happiness. On the other hand, I think of Mahatma Gandhi. A man tried to kill him in 1908 when Mahatma Gandhi was in South Africa. Mahatma Gandhi said to his friends, this man did not know what he was doing. I will love him and win his love. A year later, this very man who had tried to kill Mahatma Gandhi wrote a letter offering his apologies and admiration. This is the magic of forgiveness. There is a similar incident told us in the life of Pope John Paul. I believe it was in the year 1984 that a man named Muhammad Ali fired a shot at his heart, a bullet at the heart of Pope John Paul. The man was caught. He was sent to the Rebibbia prison in Rome. And do you know what the Pope did? The Pope went and visited this man in prison. The Pope held his hand in his and forgave him. My friends, we have not tried forgiveness because we are under the influence of the ego. We are dominated by the ego, and the ego wants an eye for an eye, a tooth for a tooth. We must all grow in the spirit of forgiveness. I know it is something very difficult to do because again and again we are tempted to strike back. Again and again we are tempted to return evil for evil. But all the great ones of humanity, all the great ones without exception, all the great ones who have blessed humanity age after age have been men and women of forgiveness. I think of Jesus. He harmed no one, he hurt no one. He became a fakir. for the sake of the people. Lokan ke hita karane santa bhaye fakir. He became a fakir, he possessed nothing. According to a saying which is not given in the Gospels, which is not given in the Bible, he said, nothing in the morn have I, and nothing do I have at night, yet there is none on earth richer than I. He became a fakir, a man of no possessions. Then you know how they capture him. They conspire to capture him at night. And at dead of night, they hold a mock trial. They sentence him to be crucified. They hang him on the cross. Nails are struck into his hands, into his throat, into his feet. Blood oozes out of the wounds. But what does Jesus do? Jesus looks at his captors, looks at all the people who have crucified him, and he offers a prayer which today has become immortal. Father, forgive them, for they know not what they do. My friends, there was an editor of a paper who had been bribed to write untrue things concerning Sadhu Vaswani and the noble work that he had started. They took this newspaper and distributed it free among the people. They dropped copies of this newspaper in every house in certain areas of the town. Sadhu Vaswani was unperturbed. Some time later, the wife of this editor contracted TB, tuberculosis, and he had no money for the treatment of his wife. When Sadhu Vaswani learnt of it, he handed to him a bundle of notes and said, "Brother, here is money for the treatment of your wife. If you need more, do let me know." Such a man was Sadhu Vaswani. He held no grudge in his heart against anyone. His heart was a fountain of forgiveness. The editor, his eyes were touched with tears. He fell at the feet of Sadhu Vaswani and said, "Forgive me, forgive me, forgive me, O man of God." And Sadhu Vaswani said to him, "Forgive you for what? Your writings have drawn the attention of the people to the humble little work that is being done here. I feel grateful to you." The editor became an ardent devotee and continued to come to the satsang till the end of his life. This is the magic of forgiveness. My friends, my time has traveled fast. In the time that is yet left to us, let me tell you some practical suggestions on how to walk the way of forgiveness, on how to grow in the spirit of forgiveness. If I have the time, I would wish to pass on to you 10 practical suggestions. I love to call them the 10 fingers of the hands that forgive. The 10 fingers of the hands that forgive. The very first practical suggestion, the very first finger of forgiveness, what is it? As soon as you find someone has hurt you, immediately offer a prayer. God, help me so that this hurt does not enter into my heart and there becomes a festering wound. That's what happens to hurt. It comes as a feeling of hurt. But if you let it remain with you, it enters your heart. And there it becomes a festering wound. It becomes like a wound which it becomes very difficult to heal. Therefore, immediately offer a prayer. God, help me so that this hurt does not enter into my heart and become a festering wound. This is the very first practical suggestion. You can push out hatred. You can push out the hurt when it comes to you as a feeling. Once you let it in,
the hurt becomes the master. And it will keep on pricking you. It will keep on pricking you. Every one of you must have had that experience. It's nothing new that I'm telling you. It keeps on pricking all the time as long as memory lasts. Then practical suggestion number 2. If the hurt has entered the heart and has started pricking you again and again, you are unable to forget that hurt, it keeps on coming to you again and again, then what should you do? Then either unburden yourself, go to a spiritual elder and open out your heart to him. Tell him everything that is in the heart within. He will understand, because he has passed through this stage himself. He will understand. He will never misunderstand you. Go to a spiritual elder and unburden yourself completely. Or, if you cannot do it, spiritual elders today are very difficult to obtain. It's not easy. If you cannot do it, then write a letter to the person. And as you write the letter, open out your heart completely. Pour all the venom into that letter. Let the letter be full of as many harsh words as possible. Let the letter be very, very hard. Write a letter to that man. And after you have written the letter, tear it into pieces. And as long as you hold the pieces in your hands, keep on praying to the Lord so that God's benedictions may flow into the life of the wrongdoer. The idea is to unburden yourself. When you write, when you have written, it has come out of the heart. That which went into the heart comes out of the heart, and it becomes easy to forgive. Practical suggestion number 3. Forgive others, but also forgive yourself. We find it easy to forgive others, so many of us, but we cannot forgive ourselves. Each one of us carries a load of guilt on our minds, on our hearts. Guilt feelings. There is not a man present here, there is not a man in the whole world who has not done some wrong or the other in the past, near or remote. I often tell my friends that if ever there is a man who has never done a wrong, you will find that as he walks the earth, his feet will be 6 inches above the ground. Have you ever seen a man walking 6 inches above the ground? No. Every man has done some wrong or the other. What should we do? We should try to make amends if we can. We should repent before the Lord and ask for wisdom and strength never to repeat that action in the future and then forget about it. We must learn to forgive ourselves. This is practical suggestion number 3. Forgive others, but also forgive yourself. Then practical suggestion number 4. Realize once and for all that guilt feelings or resentment, if we carry them in the heart within, they do harm to us. They do harm to us. I may hold resentment against some of you in the heart within. I may not harm you at all, but I am harming myself. There are people who suffer from diseases just because they hold grudges in their heart against people. There was a woman, she had rheumatic pain in the knee joints. She consulted a number of doctors. They would give her palliatives, but they would work only for a while. The pains would return, and the pains went on increasing until one day she met a holy man and described her condition to him. And the holy man asked her point blank, "Do you hold a grudge against anyone in the heart within?" She didn't want to answer at first. After hesitating, she said, "Yes, I hold a grudge against my own sister who behaved very horribly towards me, and I am unable to forgive her. The holy man said to her, so long as you are unable to forgive, so long will these pains be your constant companions. You must learn to forgive. Practical suggestion number 5. Every night before you retire, think of all the persons who have wronged you, who have cheated you, who have exploited you, who have taken advantage of you. Think of them and actually utter their names. Mr. X, Mrs. Y, Miss Z, I forgive you, I forgive you, I forgive you, so help me God. Do it. Actually do it. And you will find that you will have sound sleep at night. You will find that your mind will be cleansed. It will be uncluttered. We keep on cluttering our minds, and yet we want peace. How can we have peace? We do not merely want peace for ourselves, we want peace for the whole world. How can there be peace for the world when there is no peace in the heart within? Beloved Sadhu Vaswani said, how can there be peace in the world when men's hearts are a volcano? Our hearts are seething with selfishness, with hatred, with greed, with all sorts of negative thoughts. How can there be peace in the world? Practical suggestion? Number 6, this we must do night after night. We must not rest content with forgiving once or twice or thrice. We must do it every day, every night as we retire. If there are any people who have wronged us, we should forgive them. Practical suggestion? Practical suggestion number 7. Forgive even before forgiveness is asked. Forgive before forgiveness is asked. Don't wait for a person to ask for forgiveness. You forgive him. Your mind will be at peace. You will be doing good to yourself. Otherwise, your mind will keep on seething with all those things, with all those memories of hurts. It was Jesus who said to his disciples, if a man strike you on the right cheek, offer to him the left also. If a man compels you to walk with him for a mile, go with him the second mile also. This teaching, this advice, this counsel has great therapeutic value. People who follow this advice will remain healthy. Otherwise, we are likely to fall sick. It has a great therapeutic value. Practical suggestion? Practical suggestion number 8, forgive and forget. Number 8, forgive and forget. It will be easy for you to remember. Number 8, forget. Forgive and forget. Somebody said that if a person says that he can forgive but he cannot forget, it is like saying that he will not forgive at all. When you forgive, you have forgotten. Forgiveness is like a cancelled note, torn into two, burnt in the fire so that it never comes up again. Completely finished. There were two friends, very old friends. They met together after several years. They met one evening. They said, we'll have dinner together. So at dinner, they kept on speaking of their early days, student days, and after that when they were together, they did not know time passed. One of them suddenly found that it was 3 o'clock in the morning. He said, we must hurry home. Both of them hurried home. They met the next day, and one asked the other, did your wife understand you when you returned after 3 o'clock in the morning? He said, of course, yes. I explained to the wife, and she understood, and everything is all right. How did your wife react? And this man said, my wife, she became hysteric. The man said, historic or hysteric? He said, no, she became hysteric. When I returned after 3 o'clock in the morning, She brought up all the things that had been done during the 30 years of our married life. You don't have to be historic. You don't have to be hysteric. You have to understand. There was a man, he was on his deathbed, and he remembered that he held a grudge in his heart against someone who had not played fair with him. So he said, before I die, let me make up with the man. It's not right to carry a grudge to the heaven world. So he sent for that man and told him, come, I will give you a hug. Let us forget whatever has happened. The other man felt very happy because in the bargain he had robbed him of some $1 million or something. So he felt very happy. But as this man was about to leave, the man who was on his deathbed called him and told him that this will apply only if I die. If I live, I do not want to see your face again. You must forgive and forget. Practical suggestion number 9. If you hold a grudge against anyone, you should be careful to see that you speak very kindly concerning him as often as possible. Go out of your way to help him. Go out of your way to serve him. George Washington and Peter Miller, they were schoolmates. They studied together in the school and were great friends. George Washington became the President of the United States. Peter Miller became a preacher. In his parish there was one man, Michael Whitman. He persecuted Peter Miller every day. He troubled him. He did all sorts of things to bring him down. Peter Miller was told that Michael Whitman had been involved in a treason charge and had been sentenced to death. And this preacher of the Word of God, he walked 70 miles all the way from his parish to Philadelphia, where Washington stayed. He walked all those 70 miles and came and pleaded for Michael Whitman. But Washington said to him, this cannot be done. This man has a very black case. I cannot give you the life of your friend, forgive me. And Peter Miller exclaimed, friend, he is not my friend, he is the bitterest enemy that anyone ever had. And he described to him all the persecutions that he had suffered at his hands during the last 20 years. Then George Washington said, he is your enemy. That puts a new aspect on the matter. Because when you plead for your friend, that is human. When you plead for an enemy, that is superhuman, that is divine. There must be the hand of God in it. How can I say no to God? I freely pardon this man. You must go out of your way to help, to serve. And practical suggestion number 10, the last practical suggestion, you must go a step further. You must love the wrongdoer. You must bring him back into your life. You must love him. I will not keep you longer, my friends. These 10 practical suggestions, let us carry them in the heart within. And may the Lord bless us. We must beg His, it is His grace that will take us to forgiveness, nothing else. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
प्रभु तेरी कृपा से सब काम हो रहा है। प्रभु तेरी कृपा से सब काम हो रहा है। करते हो तुम प्रभु जी, मेरा नाम हो रहा है। करते हो तुम प्रभु जी, आशा